I only spend 1,000 dirhams for a 7-day trip in Japan. Here's how. Why you're still watching? As far as I know, you don't have a pending sick leave. Save money as a tourist. You need to spend like a local. Here's 3 things that locals do that you should do as well for your next trip in Japan. Number 1, shop after 7 p.m. Convenience store and supermarkets offer up to 50% off after 7 p.m. That's a lot of saving. Number 2, skip those fancy hotels. Book a business hotel instead. Yes, it's small, but it's safe and clean, and it's very popular for Japanese employees. Number 3, you should learn these phrases. Arigato, jimoto no itogai sukute, ishi omise wa doko desu ka? I didn't know if I pronounced it right. So you'll know where locals eat good food with affordable prices. That's it for today. Follow for more and be mindful, be safe. Ciao, see you on my next video. Bye!